Hello, so in this video we are going to discuss fractional equations and in the previous two videos we have discussed how to solve simple equations and how to solve equations with brackets. Okay, so if you haven't seen those videos yet, you can see those videos in the card above and let's get started. Okay. So, this is my first question. X over 2 equals 4. Using fractional, simplifying fractional equations is also very easy. What we have to do is, we have to make this fraction into a normal number, into a normal equation. So, to do that, I have to remove this 2 in the denominator, no? So, what I can do is, I can multiply the numerator also by 2. Then what happens is this 2 and this 2 are cancelling out. No? So what we want to do is done. But I told you always I'm telling you, if you want to do something new for the equation, you have to do that one too, right hand side and left hand side both. So I have to multiply the right hand side also by 2. Okay, this is the explanation. But we don't do this step usually. What we just do is, okay, this is the question again. What we do is, we just carry this 2 to the other side of the equation. Here it has been divided. So, when we switch the sides, it will become a multiplication. So, it comes here. That is the step we are usually doing. Okay? You can do in both methods, it's okay. But this is the simplest way. 2 and 2 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 4 times 2 means that is 8. Or else in the other method, x equal 4 multiplied by 2, which is again equal to 8. That. And our next question, 2x over 5 equals 6. What I have to do is removing the 5. So, I will carry 5 to the other side. Then, 2x is equal to 6 multiplied by 5. Okay. 2x is equal to 6 times 5 means that's 30, no? But, small problem, that is 2x. We don't need 2x. We just want x, ne? So, we will divide both the sides by 2. Then 2 and 2 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Done. That's it. Next question. 3x over 2 equal 1 over 4. Okay. And there is an important point in this question. That is, we can simplify both the side of the equation if we have the divisible numbers in the numerators or in the denominators. That means, if in the denominators means the downside, no? If we have in the denominator 4 and 8, those two numbers are divisible of 4, no? Then I can divide this one by 4. The answer is 1. I can divide this one also by 4. Then answer is 2. I can do only that one if those two numbers are in either side of the equation and also if the both are in numerator or both are in denominator only. Okay. So, in this question, I can do the same thing. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So, this is little bit simplified. 3x equal 1 over 2. Now, what I have to do is, I can just carry 2 to the other side. Then, it will become 6x equal 1. 6x equal 1. But we want x, no? I will divide both the sides by 6. 6 and 6 are cancelling out. X equals 1 over 6. Here, no need to simplify the answer into a decimal value because this is fractional equations. No? So, you can just keep your answer in the form of a fraction. Okay, that's it. And our next question is 6x over 5 equal 2 over 3. Now in this question, we cannot simplify the denominator, but just look, we can simplify the numerator, right? So I'm going to simplify the numerator. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Okay, so it's 3x over 5 equal 1 over 3. Little bit simplified. And what I'm going to do is, I'm carrying the denominator here to the numerator and 5 to the other side. Okay, 3x multiplied by 3 equal 1 multiplied by 5. 3x times 3. 3 times 3 means 9x equal 5 times 1 means 5. Now, here I have 9x, no? So, I will divide both the sides by 9. Then 9 and 9 are cancelling out. X equals 5 over 9. I'm going to keep the answer in the same way because this is fractional equations. That's it. If you want to write anything, you can just write. Huh? Okay, so the next one. This is a different form. X over 3 plus 1 over 4 equal 1. Here in this question, in the left hand side of the question, we have addition of two fractions. So to simplify this kind of question, we have to make a common denominator and make the left hand side into a one single fraction. Okay. 3 and 4. What is the least common multiple or else the LCM? Yes, that is 12. So the common denominator we can take is 12. So to make 12, I have to multiply 3 by 4. Numerator and denominator both. 4 by 3. Okay. Now, 4 times 3, 12. 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 12. I have wrote the 12 in the middle to be common to both questions, both parts. 4 times x means 4x plus 3 times 1 means 3 equals 1. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I will take this 12 to the other side. So here most of the students do a wrong thing here. They are thinking to cut this 3 and this 12. Now you can't do that. You can't cut 3 and 12 because here is addition. If there is addition or subtraction with another number, you can't cut only one part. If you want to cut, what you have to do first is you have to remove that one by a bracket. Then you can cut. Okay. Now here you can't simplify 3 and 12. Okay. So I will take 12 to the other side. 4x plus 3 equals 1 multiplied by 12, which means 12. Now, carrying 3 to the other side, this kind of simple equations we have been discussed in the first video of this series. If this is little bit harder for you, you can just watch that video also. Okay, so 4x equals 12 minus 3. Again, 4x is equal 12 minus 3 means 9. So I will divide both the sides by 4. 4 and 4 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 9 divided by 4. As this one is improper fraction, I will just convert this one into a mixed number. So 2, 1 over 4. That's it. If you want to note down anything, you can write. Our next question. 2x over 3 minus half equals 4. Here, to make a common denominator, I will take the common denominator as 6. Multiply this one by 2 and 2 by 3. 2 times 2x means 4x minus 1 times 3 means 3 equals 4. I will carry this 6 to the other side now. 4x minus 3 equals 4 multiplied by 6. When a division is carried to the other side of the equation, it will become multiplication. Okay? So, that's it. 4x minus 3 equals 6 times 4. 24. So, 4x equal to 24 plus 3. I have taken this minus 3 to the other side, then it will become positive 3. Okay, 4x is equal to 27. I will divide both the sides by 4 now. Now, x equal 27 divided by 4. That is improper fraction. What I am going to do is convert this one into a mixed number. So, here 6, 4 and 3. That's it. And the next question. X over 2 minus 3 over 7 equal 1 over 2. What we can do is taking the common denominator as 14. Then I have to multiply this one by 7 and the other side by 2. 7 times x, 7x minus 3 times 2 is 6 equal half. Now I can do a small thing. What is that? 2 and 14 can be simplified by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 7. 7x minus 6 equal, I will take this 7 to this side. 1 times 7 means that is 7. Okay, that's it. I have carried this 7 to the other side. Here that is 1, no. So, no need to carry 1 to the other side. We can just ignore that one. Okay, 7x minus 6 equals 7. I will carry the 6 also to the other side. Then 7x equals 7 plus 6, which is 7x equal 13. I will divide both the sides by 7. Then 7 and 7 will cancel out. Only x is remaining. So, this is an improper fraction. When we convert this one into a mixed number, it will become like this. Okay. So, the next question. This question is little bit harder than the questions we have discussed up to now, because we have two numbers in the both side of the equation. Sorry. Okay. I will take another page. I have mistakenly write another question. 3 over 11 minus x over 2 equal 2x over 11 plus 1 over 4. This is our question. What I am going to do is take in common denominators for both sides of the equation separately. Here 11 times 2 means 22. Multiply this side by 2 and multiply this side by 11. 2 times 3 means 6 minus 11x equal, here I will take the common denominator as 44. This one by 4 and this side by 11. So, 4 times 2x means 8x plus 11. Now this is very easy. What we can do is, we can simplify both denominators by 22. Just check, 22 times 1, 22 times 2, right? Okay. So, 6 minus 11x equal 8x plus 11 divided by 2. Now I can take the 2 to the other side. Okay. Now this is the important part. So I have to take another space. Guys, when we carry a number to the other side, if we have two numbers there, we have to use a bracket definitely. Just keep in mind, okay? So that means 2 times, I will take another color, 6 minus 11x, because this 2 is important for 6 as well as 11 both. If we just write 2 without a bracket, then 2 will be included for only 6. Then it's wrong, okay? Equal 8x plus 11. Okay. So if you want to note down anything, please note down up to this point, because I want more space. So I will just write what is there. I'm going to erase the board and write the last part which we were in. That is 2 times 6 minus 11x equal 8x plus 11. Okay, that's it. So removing brackets, 2 times 6, 12 minus 2 times 11x, 22x plus equal 8x plus 11. Now all the x terms into one side and all the numbers into the other side. So I will take 22 to this side and 11 to other side. 12 minus 11 equal 8x plus 22x. So 22 plus 8x means 20x equals 12 minus 11 means 1. So we will divide both the sides by 20 and 20 are cancelling out. X equals 1 over 20. That's it. X equals 1 over 20. So this is the last question we are going to discuss under this topic. That is x over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus x over 6 equals 7 over 12. Now what I want to do is, I have 3 numbers in the left hand side and only 1 number in the right hand side. So I have to make a common denominator for the left hand side first. So the common denominator I am going to take is 12, because 12 is divisible by 3, 4 and 6 all. So to make 12, I will multiply 3 by 4, 4 by 3 and 6 by 2. 4 times x means 4x minus 3, x times 2 means minus 2x equals 7 over 12. Now guys, what you can see is we have 12 in both denominators. So we can just simplify that one. 12 times 1 and 12 times 1. That's it. Now this is not a fraction anymore. This is just a simple equation. 4x minus 2x means 2x minus 3 equals 7. I will take the 3 to the other side. Then 2x equals 7 plus 3. Again 2x equals 7 plus 3 means 10. Divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 are cancelling out. X equals 5. That's it. So, this is the end of fractional equations. Up to now, we have discussed simple equations, equations with brackets, and fractional equations. And in the next video, we are going to discuss about some complex questions related to equations, which we have simple equations, fractional equations, and brackets in the same question. Okay, so let's meet soon. Goodbye.